Selamat siang Bapak dan teman-teman. Perkenalkan nama saya Claudia Puspita Hati. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan terkait dengan thermal aktuator. What thermal actuator? Thermal actuators are component product linear movement through the expansion and contraction of thermal responsive material. The thermal sensitive material inside those elements can be expanded without due to temperature increasing its product pressure or intrusion toward a piston generation movement. The movement or motion of this thermostat element can be used to operate valves or mechanic switch etc. without any electric power. Therefore, they can be applied in variants of application: automotive, thermal, air fan, sanitary ware, and heating. There are two categories of structure for thermal actuators. First, the diagram type. When the temperature outside the cap 6 increase, thermal material 5 expand and extrude. The diagram 4 push plug 2 cause the movement to piston 1. When the temperature outside cooling down, a loop push back on the piston, reset the system for next cycle. Advanced prism movement high sensitivity. The squeeze pass type. When the temperature outside the cap in 6 increase, thermometer 5 expands and extrude elastomeric back 4 to push piston 1 versus piston 1 for movement. When the temperature outside cooling down, a loop pushes back on the piston, reset the system for next cycle. Advanced pressure movement high sensitivity. Material thermal actuator. Bimetallic strip. Composition two metals with different thermal expansion coefficient. Bimetallic strip bend with temperature change provide a simple reliable execution mechanism. Shape memory alloy or SMAS can return to predefined shape when heated. Works used in works motor actuator works expand significantly when heated, driving mechanical movement. Liquids. The significant expansion of a continued liquid with temperature change will generate forceful actuation. Component thermal actuator. Actuation element. Intelligent materials that respond predictable to temperature change. Housing. Protect the internal component from environmental damage and ensure that the actuator. Return mechanism. Ensure the actuator can cycle between state efficiently, allow for repeat as over time. Temperature sensor. The actuator can respond more dynamically to environmental change, leading to more accurate and efficient operation. Operation principle. Thermal actuator convert thermal energy into kinetic energy or motion. A typical thermostatic actuator consists of a temperature-sensing material sealed within a housing by a diaphragm that using a guide a pull to move a piston within a guide. The key element of a thermal actuator is the temperature-sensing material This material that expand and contract based on the temperature of the device, causing the piston to move. This material could be a liquid, gas, wax-like substance, or other material that change volume based on temperature. 6-type thermal actuator. Bimetallic actuator. This device can tell on the differential thermal expansion rate of two bond metals. Memory alloys can be differ at one temperature but return to their original underformed shape when hidden above a certain threshold. Wax motor actuators. This actuator operated as a sealed capsule filled with a wax component to expand significantly when hidden. Liquid expansion actuator. Operation on the principle of liquid expansion. This actuator as a fluid that expands with height. Electrothermal actuators. This actuator utilises resistive heating element to induce thermal expansion in a material with in turn product of movement. Pneumatic thermal actuator. This actuator as air or gas heated or cooled in response to temperature change, driving a piston or diaphragm to create movement. Industrial application. HVAC system in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or HVAC industry. Thermal actuators are used for regulation temperatures, appliance safety. Household appliances like dishwasher and washing mechanisms utilize thermal actuator for safety mechanisms. Automotive. In the automotive sector, thermal actuator contributes to the performance and efficiency of vehicles by controlling thermal management system. Energy and power generation. Thermal actuators are employed in power plants and renewable energy systems to control force and dampers. Advantage. All in one. Thermal valves combine temperature sensing, actuation, and flowing control, unlike traditional setup with separate solenoid valves and electronic system. So simpler design. Thermal valves eliminate the need for many external components like solenoid, sensor, circuit, and power supplies. This makes the neck capture and easier to install. Point O improved reliability. Electric main storage of power or electric issue, leading to a more reliable and safer system. Compact power. Thermal actuators are small and powerful, require minimal maintenance and functioning well in hard environments. Disadvantage. Thermal actuator will have question over a special temperature depend on whether it's heating up or cooling down. Here how it's work. As it head up, the material expands and pushes the piston for power stroke. When it's cooled down, the material contracts but not by the same amount. It pulls the piston back at slightly lower power temperature. This difference creates a loop where the component actuator position isn't actually the same for the same temperature depending on the direction of temperature change or heating or cooling. Sekian penjelasan yang dapat saya sampaikan. Saya ucapkan terima kasih.